and severe thunderstorm warning was just issued right here. Okay, what's it for? Okay, right there. Severe thunderstorm warning. Yes, I just read those, and it was okay. Let's just read about it, and then we're done recording. Alright. National Weather Service and Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeast Sands County and northern New Mexico, northeast County, and central New Mexico, until 8:50 a.m. At 7:34 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south or 10 miles east, moving east, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, a 70-mile wind. Oh my goodness! Penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: except for 3 damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roof, and outbuildings. Location they plan include listen, damn. Listen. I can just let's include the following highways. Oh, okay. This storm is producing destructive winds. Seek shelter now. Instead of starting destructing and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact the National Weather Service office at 1-888-386-7637. Tornado possible. Okay. And then we just done reading it. Is there? Yep, expires and 11 a.m. Right? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna end this video and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.